Welcome back to MG Midget, the birth of a race car, capturing my journey from car restoration through to the 2022 MG Car Club Speed Series. In this episode we're going to be fitting the hardtop. This is the hardtop that I'm going to be fitting. This was you can buy them new, but this one was purchased second hand, characterised in this particular case by the vinyl fitting on the top, very 1970s. And the reason I went for this one is because this is classed as a works style. You can see here you've got the recess on the top here, and also this recess on the rear window. And the main reason for that, going for that one, is because the roll bar, I'm expecting it to fit nice and comfortably underneath that. What that enables me to do for sprinting is to take off the roof and the frame, and while there's only minimal weight saving gains to be made, what it means is if the weather is not so good, if it's raining on days of events, I'm not going to be worried about putting the soft top up and down and getting wet. This particular hard top has got a felt lining. There is an interior light, but we won't be using that. And we've got polycarbonate plastic windows, that keeps it nice and light. In terms of mounting, only 4 easy mounting brackets. We've got one either side here, and there's an L-shaped bracket. So we'll have a look at how that fits when we offer it up to the car. And then at the front, we've got a slotted bracket here, and again there's a clip that goes through here, and we'll see how that mounts to the car when we offer it up. In terms of seals, we've got a foam roof seal on the front, we've got some welt here, and a rubber door seal for the window, and this particular hardtop has got a rubber seal around the back to seal it to the bodywork as well. So it should be nice and watertight against the elements. Right, let's get that offered up to the car and see how it fits then. So that's the hardtop position on the car, and it appears to be a good fit, so no concerns from that point of view. So let's have a look inside. So here you can see the roll bar inside. It's a good comfortable fit. There's probably 2 inches at least on top of that roll bar across the front and the back, so no concerns on the fitment of that, which is good. So on the front of the car we've got a small clip that looks like this with a bolt in it, and that's going to fit underneath the clip and then screw into the slot on the hardtop there. So that's a nice easy fix. And on the rear of the hardtop we're using a slotted L-shaped bracket, and that's going to fit into the slot where the hood mount was going to be. So I'm going to make use of this hole here, fix the bracket in place there, and then to make the difference we've got a long bolt that's going to go through the hardtop and then pull down into that bracket. So I'm going to fit that up, and then we'll show you what that looks like. Hardtop is all bolted in now. We've got the clamps at the back and 2 clamps on the roof. Now that's all secured to the car. So now I'm going to put the doors on, and I can also start to refit all of the dashboard assembly.